What's up guys, welcome back to my channel with a new video of Surface Surf. Getting some hoverboards. Okay, let's go. Straight away. Using straight away. Woo. Whoa, what a hoverboard. I'm using a lot of hoverboards so that like when I'm about to die to crash, I just can live. But the hoverboard is gone. Oh, okay. Let's use one key. What? Wait, what? That was long. Jesus. Oh, what? Really? Another one? This is actually sick. No trains, no nothing. Just money. Money, money, money. Look how much loot we've got. We've got like 1,600. Oh, yeah, there's use 2 keys. What? Oh, damn. Okay, let's put a hoverboard now. We're gonna try and beat my record, which is of 80,000 something. Oh, wait, what? Really? Oh, yes. I'm not really bothered to get the money. I've got enough. Jesus. Whoa, it's getting a bit too far. Jesus. Oh, wait, what? Oops. Sorry. That's too fast. I can't even move. Really? Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. You got this. Oh. Okay, 16. That's quite a lot, but I can go and spend like 2,000 key. Yeah, something like that. Or maybe 8,000. Not really bothered about keys. Oh, I wasn't looking. Oh, what? Oh, what? Why did I do that? This is hard. Oh yeah, we beat our record. Jesus, I didn't even see. What? Wait, what? At least we got a higher score than last time. Oh no, I didn't get the thingy. They were that scored. Wait, oh. Why didn't I go up there? This video is long, but until like I get to 1,000 keys used, like if I died, I'm just gonna stop there. Maybe gonna open my mystery box to show you, but hopefully like he's gonna give us a hat or something, like because I've got like 3 players that I haven't got, 3 characters that I can't use because you need the guitar, yeah, the UFO, something like that. Hope we get another mystery box, maybe we can have it, like an UFO, because the guitar, oh wow, it didn't get it again. Okay, 1,000, I'm gonna stop just in 2,000, that's just enough. I'm actually pretty damn happy because like I've beat my record, and like we used keys and stuff for the last record, and we used quite a lot. Like we used like 10,000. Okay, 2,000. That's done. Maybe we'll use one more if we die, obviously, but we will. So. Oh wow, I didn't get it again. the thing that I like going in the trains, if I like trains comes out from nowhere, I'm just down and I'm not up a train. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, that's done. Let's see the mystery box. Oh wow, we've got loot. Look how much loot we've got. Oh, I didn't mean to double up. Oh, nice. That's quite a lot. Jeez. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh. Shop. I'm gonna buy. Oh, it's full. Wow. Actually, I'm gonna go here and get those skis. Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna. Wait. Yeah. That's. Oh. Yeah. You can. As I saw in the last video, I've used the thingy. Lucky Patcher, and for like get free keys and free coins. Like I can press here and it was gonna give me a lot. And you can do that the same for like the money. Like I press an option like here that you press like that, and when you go like that, you don't have to press yes every time. And it's gonna and when you turn off the game or your phone, you're going to, when you open it, you're going to have like more keys and more money. That's what happened to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see ya, boys.